Behind its beautiful song, the American dipper hides an ability that leaves scientists in awe. This songbird is a master diver. Despite being born without webbed feet like a duck, can use their wings to fly through raging river currents. Even more amazing, they can walk along the slippery riverbed, gripping stones tightly to hunt for prey. After an underwater adventure, they usually perch and do their iconic bobbing dance, a perfect blend of cuteness and resilience amidst the wild, rushing rapids. Subscribe to Glimpse of Gaia for more exciting nature secrets.